Hello, good morning, children. In the series of Beehive, today we will read the lesson Sound of Music, Part 1. The story of this lesson revolves around Evelyn Glennie, a girl who lost her hearing ability in the age of 11, but she did not give up. She decided to live a normal life. So she pursued her interest in music. She could listen the sound without hearing it. She could feel the sound. Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie listened to sound without hearing it. The lesson written by Deborah Cowley. Before start the lesson, we should know about Evelyn's life. Today, Evelyn Glennie is the only classical percussionist in the world of music who has made a solo concert career of beating, crashing, and banging objects. She has been awarded a long string of awards, including a Grammy in 2014 and 15 honorary doctorates. Glennie, born in 1965, was raised on a farm near Aberdeen, Scotland, where she took piano lessons and played the harmonica and the clarinet. Evelyn Glennie, the Grammy winning percussionist, was born just as any other normal child. Her loss of hearing was gradual. When she was at school at the age of 8, her mother, Isabel Glennie, first noticed her about her difficulty in hearing. Evelyn managed to hide her growing deafness from friends and teachers for quite a while. At the age of 11, the marks of her deafness deteriorated. Her headmistress requested her parents to take her to a specialist. It was then discovered that her hearing was badly damaged as a result of gradual nerve damage. The specialist advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to a school for deaf. For Evelyn, everything suddenly looked black. Evelyn determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. All her teachers discouraged her except one, Mr. Ron Forbes. Mr. Ron Forbes was the percussion teacher at her school who recognized her potential. He drilled her by playing two large drums to different notes. He trained her not to hear but feel the music through various parts of her body. This proved great for her, and the rest was her strong determination and hard work. Evelyn Glennie never looked back then. At the age of 16, she toured UK with a youth orchestra. Evelyn, at the age of 16, only auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music, London. She scored the highest marks in the history of the Academy. During the 3 years of the course, she achieved the most of the top awards at the Academy. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. She has been awarded a long string of awards, including Grammy in 2014 and 15 honorary doctorates. Evelyn Glennie achieved more than most people twice of her age. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. Evelyn has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look at her and say, if she can do it, I can do. And not the least, she has given great pleasure to millions of the people. Evelyn's success mantra. In her own words, if you work hard and know where you are going, you shall get there. According to her, this is the success mantra of her life. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some thousand instruments and hectic international schedule. Music for Evelyn. What is the music for Evelyn? She explained about music that music pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hairs. Evelyn, in the eyes of other masters of percussion, like James Blunt, he says, God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back some extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expressed music so beautifully. Now, the quiz time. The first question is, what is the name of Evelyn's mother? The second one, what is the success mantra of her success according to Evelyn? Number third, explain the music according to Evelyn. Thank you.